Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and in today's recipe we are going to make some doner kebab like the Turkish make, and we will serve it with some pita bread or probably some white rice pilaf. So let's get started. I already sliced some beef over here. I thinly sliced the beef, but not too thin, so you can see I have big pieces. And then I have some minced beef. I'm going to marinate both of them, and then we will put them together. So to marinate them, we are going to need salt, 1-2 spoons of salt, and 1 spoon of salt for the mince. I don't want to make it too salty. And next thing we are going to use is black pepper. I will use it for both. 2 teaspoons for mince and 2 teaspoons for sliced beef. And then you can use oregano or you can use dry parsley. I'm using dry parsley. There you go. And all we need to do now is I'm going to grate this onion, and I will be right back. Grating the onion is going to be the hardest part, so I'm going to grate half in here. Well, that was tough because the onion made me cry. अगर प्याज आपको रुलाना दे तो वो प्याज ही क्या हुआ. अब थोड़ा इसमें oil. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil in both of them. And since everything is in there, I'm just going to marinate that and let it sit in the refrigerator for 2-3 hours. So as usual, there are a lot of recipes to do this, but like I said, as usual, I'm bringing to you the easiest one. ये डोनर कबाब बनाने के, होममेड डोनर कबाब बनाने के बहुत से तरीके होते हैं. काफ़ी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड भी होते हैं, इजी भी, लेकिन मैं कोशिश ये करती हूँ कि सबसे इजी जो है वो आपके सामने लेकर आऊँ. जो सबसे इजी रेसिपी होती है वो आप ट्राई करें, क्योंकि मुझे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड और बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं आता है. तो ये जैसे 1.5 पाउंड अगर कीमा है, 1.5 पाउंड और 1.5 पाउंड ही beef है. 1.5 pound of sliced beef and 1.5 pound of minced beef. So let me put that in the refrigerator. This is marinated and chilled for a few hours, so it's ready. Same thing with the beef slices, if you can see. Okay, so now again we have two choices. Either I can take the skewer and I can do the skewer for the beef, or I can take the easy way. अब हम एक सिल्वर की शीट बिछाएंगे, aluminum foil की. So we place the aluminum foil and then we put some cling wrap plastic on top of it, and now I'm going to layer the meat. I'm going to make one layer of beef, as you can see. Just layer it up like that, or you can use bigger pieces if you want. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो आप बड़े pieces काट लें. Take, there you go. So we layer that up, and now let me put one more piece over here. And then you take the mince and you layer it on top of your beef slices. जो beef slices थे उसके ऊपर हमने एक कीमे की layer लगा दी है. And now one more layer of the beef slices again. put it this way or put it whatever way you want. Let's see how it goes. Oh, sorry. That onion is still making me cry. If onion does not make you cry, that means it was not a good onion. Well, that's what I believe. And my eyes are still watery. This is the second layer. That's done. One more layer of mince. Same way, you take your mince and you layer it on the top of your slices. There you go. 2 layers of mince and 3 layers of beef slices. One more. Alright, so as you can see, all the mince and all the beef slices are layered up. So now I'm going to roll it. And okay, so I roll it up, all of it, and on the edges, the corners, everything is tucked in. So I'm just going to twist it, and I'm going to try to put a knot if I can. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so we got our log, our doner log, and we are going to be good for a long time. So let's just roll it up and throw it in the freezer for overnight, or at least 4 to 5 hours. And when you're ready, take it out and we will cook. So this is how you prepare your doner meat.